Experienced Harley rider, start a 1997 steel frame Honda CR 125. Oh yeah, running good. Take a look at this beautiful baby. Just did a rebuild. Are you ready for this? Ready to go take a putt, take a ride. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. We got Big Mike coming off a Harley, first time in 25 years on a two-stroke. How you feeling, Mike? You okay?
A little arm pump.
Go to the bottom of that hill climb and see if that CR1.
Okay, Michael, what do you got to say?
I say it's fast. It's running perfect. I haven't been on a two-stroke, man. It's fucking like crazy.
How's that energy feeling?
Not bad.
You got your energy drink over
Oh,
here?
yeah.
Let's see your energy drink. Show the camera your energy drink.
Nice.
Not what we recommend for energy, but the Harley crew would be proud, I think.
Shit.
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted that energy.
Michael. What you laughing at?
It's a lot of fun. What can I say? I'm impressed with that 125 pulling that big boy around.
Hey, 227, believe it or not.
You talked me into it. I'm going to take it for a rip.
227.
All right, I got to put the camera down.
Oh, yeah, Mike. You know, it's about time we let the world's greatest mechanic. Whoa! First lap, Steve Lamson would be proud. Oh, yeah.
Woo, I'm tired, man.
Now,
I need oxygen.
I got to ask you about something, Ray, because I believe you once coined the term 120 jive.
Yeah.
Is it a 120 jive or has it got some muscle?
If it is a 120 jive, man. I got no torque.
But
Snappy.
it's snappy if you keep it rolling. Good job,
I
man.
thought I'd be able to come up through there in third and get close.
Oh, boy.
But it had no motor.
Beautiful.
Look, tripping. Shit.
Nice lap. Nice fast lap.
Oh, good.
Here we go. I'm going to give this baby a try. I can't wait to try at 125. You could tell this bike was handling well. Ray did such a great job. The suspension was tight. The chassis felt good. Everything felt good on this bike. And boy, it smelled even better. I hope you can smell it through the smartphone. Yeah! Whoa! Brings back some memories. 125.
Hell yeah.
Just one scary moment for me, and thank goodness I didn't panic. If I was younger, I might have got in trouble. Here's the grip. The grip was a little wet, stuck, wide open throttle all of a sudden. But just remember, kids, if that happens, clutch, hit that kill switch as soon as you can. gosh, even if you hate to blow up your bike, but if that's the option between going full throttle into a tree, that's what you have to do. So I just grabbed that clutch really, really quickly and.
Wow, you got baby rolling. I'm so glad you weren't on that. I just avoided disaster.
What happened?
Throttle stuck.
Holy
Clutched
shit.
It must have been the grip.
Wow.
Oh, so if you're riding this and the throttle sticks, just clutch it.
Yeah.
And go
I
like
thought
that.
the chain flew off.
Yeah, I was about ready to do
Or you blew it up.
triple of a lifetime.
I don't even know if I want to ride it now.
It's got to be this grip.
Yeah, maybe I'll chill for that then.
Hold on, let me see.
Let Ray, you fix it or Ray, because
That was a little scary. A little scary. Let's try it again.
Other than that, though, once I got the throttle adjusted, the bike was great. The bike was awesome. Had a lot of fun with it. I gotta say, overall, very pleased with how the bike performed. There was maybe one thing I should have been leery of, though, and I took Mike down into the deep trails. Remember, Mike is more accustomed to his Harley, so his conditioning is a little down. We're gonna work on that, though, but let's just say poor Mike might have slept well after this day in the trails.
There we go. Oh.
Come on, Mike, pin it. Pin it to win it. Pin it.
Oh, he's offline. He's offline. That's okay. Here we go, guys. This is one of the toughest obstacles in the trails. Mike Casper making his return to a 125 PC hunt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It is tough down there. It is tough. Fatigue could be setting in. Oh, no. It's okay. Come down and help. We have video proof that the CR125 is on top of the hill. Nice job, Mike. How you feeling, buddy? It's all right. We're going to get you back slowly. That riding shape takes a while to get, doesn't it? He's doing good, guys. Look at this valley. I don't know if this video does it justice, but we're on top of the Monroeville Mountain, high atop Pitcairn. Oh, yeah.
So how about that? Treat those old two-strokes well, and they will never die. Love the bike. It's a lot of fun. Question is, what should we do to it next? Where should we go with this build? There's a lot of different things you can do. I mean, should we keep it just a buddy bike runner, or I'd really like to try one of those electron carbs on it. I've heard so much about those. Never have to worry about jetting. The metering rod that it has in there, I know that all the old school two-stroke guys love those electron carbs.
Guys, that was an absolute blast. That's why I love these old two-strokes. You know, you put a little bit of work into them, you treat them right, give them some love, and they will treat you right. Now I need your help. What do you think I should do with this 125? What's next? Should I flip it and move up to a bigger bike with the big boys that are my buddies, or do you keep that? Do you keep making performance enhancements? What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below, but really enjoy that bike. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to have more coming, whatever we decide to do. And like I said, if you love two-strokes, keep it twisted. Racing Jack, has got your back.
Yeah, leave your thoughts down below, but I think we're headed for Electron. I cannot wait. Big thanks to my buddy Shep, Ray, everybody involved in this, Mark, Tilly, Mike. We had a blast. We'll see what's next. Hit subscribe. More coming.